Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a Dyson expert, and today I'm going to talk about how to tackle pet hair with your Dyson vacuum. So all Dyson vacuum cleaners will come with tools and attachments that are suitable for tackling pet hair. For pet hair just on the floor in general, we have the direct drive head, which works really well to drive pet hair out of carpets. Then we have our soft roller head, which works really well to attract pet hair from hard floors. Then we have our mini motorized tool, and this works really well on the stairs or in your car to pick up pet hair. For tight corners and smaller areas, you can use this crevice tool. And then for areas like your couch or upholstery or your pet's bed, you can use this combination tool, which gets a really good controlled suction. If the pet hair is stubborn at all, it's always a good idea to increase the suction power, so you can go to medium power or max power. If you have any other questions, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert, or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag AskADysonExpert.